I'm Dan, a process engineer at Pella. This video is a chance to see Pella through your own eyes. The voices you hear are real Pella employees, just like me. We hope you enjoy.
My name is Steve. I'm one of 3,300 employees based in Pella, Iowa. We've got building windows and doors down to a science, and that know-how shows up in the quality of our products.
My name is Garrett. I'm a quality engineer at Pella. I get to work on a lot of cool stuff. Windows embedded with smart technology. Products that can handle what nature throws at it. There's a drive to innovate here that goes all the way back to 1925.
My name is Anna. I'm a Pella sales rep based in Nashville. What do you see in Pella? You see, we've been here more than 90 years in the same headquarters, in the same town. You see where the Pella spirit comes from. A proud Dutch heritage, strong Midwest values, a history of continuous improvement, and a drive to always make things better that dates back to 1925.
Yeah, there is a spirit here, one based on focus and legacy. So many of us literally grew up learning the Pella way of doing things. It's also that we live and work in a town called Pella.
Do my customers know there's a Pella, Iowa? Maybe. Do they understand the Pella spirit? Yeah, I think they do. They may not call it that, and that's fine, but when they thank me for being a part of their success, I know they get it.
The legacy and innovation.
The ingenuity and attention to detail.
The quality this brand is known for. All it takes is a connection. People seem to get Pella no matter where they live.
Pella, a town, a renowned brand, an undeniable spirit and way of doing things.